So how can we actually exchange currency inside Revolut? Now, first of all, as you can probably imagine, you will have to open up the Revolut app. I will leave you a link down below if you don't already have an account. Then simply head over to the main tab, to the home tab, and click on move right here, the second tab from the left. Right here we can then basically move our money. We can, for example, exchange euro to US dollar. So let's for example say that I do want to exchange 10 euro to 10.24 US dollar. As you can see, we are going to have a small fee on that. We can then review the order and we can then sell our euro for US dollar. If we do want to do this the other way around, we can always do so by simply just changing this. Like this, we are going to send 10.49 US dollars for 10 euros. Now, as you can see, by default I'm only going to have euro and US dollar available. So actually, to change that, we will have to opt out of this, then head over to accounts, click on add new on the bottom, click on currency account, and you can then add all sorts of other currencies inside here. And then you would have to go over the same method again, and you can then add other currencies onto Revolut. Please note that by default, if you are going to pay something abroad, this is automatically going to exchange it. So if you do want to exchange your currency for that reason, you don't necessarily have to. Either way, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.